Okay, now we are going to solve question number 2 of exercise 11.4, chapter number 11, and it is the area and perimeter section, where we have to find out the area. We have to find the different we have to fill the missing quantities over here using the formula to find out the area of a parallelogram. So let's see how we can do it. So here suppose we have a parallelogram and different in part A, base is given, altitude is given, and when we have to find out the area of a parallelogram. In here when we apply, area is equal to base into altitude. So when we multiply this base into altitude over here, base into altitude, so it will become 8 into 7, 8 meters into 7 meters equal to 126 meter square. So B is 22 meter, and we have to find out the altitude, and whereas area is given as 88 meter square. So when we are going to find out, this is a formula, A is equal to base into altitude. So we have to find out the altitude. So in this B we will divide over here and here. This B will be finished from here, then it will become A oblique B, A by B, A divided by B. So A is altitude is 88, it is given 88, and base is 22. So 88 divided by 22 is equal to 4 meter. This is the base. So in part C, we have to find out the what is given. Part C, this is the altitude is given, area is given, and we have to find out the base. So in the formula we have A is equal to B into L. So B we have to find out, and AL we will divide from both sides. So here AL will be finished, and B is equal to A oblique A by L. So put the value over here. A area, this area is 981 meters square divided by altitude is 45. So it will become 21.8 meters. So now part D is the we have given the base is given, altitude, base is given, altitude is given. We have to find out the area. So it is the same, base into altitude. Base is 24 multiplied by altitude is equal to 1080 meters square. So this is the end of question number 2. We already solved it. So it is the missing values we have in 126 meters square. Question number B is 4 meters, C is 21.8 centimeter, and D is 1080 meters square. So that is the solution. So here question number 3 is find the area of a triangle if the length of its base is 2.5 meter and the length of its altitude is 1.2 meter. We have to find out the area, whereas the base and altitude both are given. So we can use these quantities in the formula and we will get the answer. So let's see how. This is our triangle ABC, and this is the base of the triangle, and this is the altitude of the triangle. So base is 2.5 meter and altitude is 1.2 meter. We have to find out the area. So here base is 2.5 meter, altitude is 1.2 meter, area we have to find out. The Formula is A is equal to 1 by 2 base into altitude. So that is equal to 1 by 2. What is the base? 2.5 multiplied by 1 by 2, 1.2, that is equal to 3. So 1 by 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 3 by 2. And when we divide the 3 divided by 2, then it comes 1.5 meter square. This is our answer. Now find the area of a trapezium if the length of its two sides, two bases is 8.8 meter and 12.9 meter respectively, and the perpendicular distance between two bases is 12 meters. So B1 and B2 is also given, altitude is also given, perpendicular and altitude both are the same things. So both are three quantities we have already given, and we have to find out the area of the trapezium. So let's see how. So here is the trapezium, and in this trapezium B1 base 1 is a 12.9 meter, and this is the base 2 8.8 meter, and this is the perpendicular or the altitude, which is given also as 12 meter. So base B1 is 12.9 meter, base B2 is 8.8 meter, which is the upper side, and altitude or perpendicular A is equal to 12 meter. So we have to find out the area of the trapezium. So we know the formula, area of a trapezium is equal to 1 by 2 A altitude into base 1 plus base 2. So 1 by 2 altitude is given as 12 multiplied by 12.9 plus 8.9. When we add up them, this becomes 21.7. So here 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are, or we can write 12 by 2 multiplied by 21.7. So it is 2 6 12. So 6 multiplied by 21.7, and its answer becomes that 130.2 meters square. So this is the area of a trapezium we have already calculated.